In this course, I will show you how to use the Eisenhower Decision Matrix to effectively manage your time and get more of the right things done. Because if you're like me, then you have a never-ending to-do list. No matter how much we accomplish, day after day, new and immediate tasks demand our attention, and we end up juggling several things that are due now. Deadlines become the enemy instead of the goal, and if the worst happens, we even miss them entirely. What's worse is that far too often the tasks we do end up completing aren't even important, but rather distractions from what we really ought to be doing. What we really need is a kind of filter to help us truly see what we should be doing. Because there is a difference between what is urgent and what is important. Not every email needs a response, and of those that do, not all of them really need a response today, even if requested. Or, as American President Eisenhower was quoted as saying, "What is important is seldom urgent, and what is urgent is seldom important." And that's exactly what the Eisenhower Decision Matrix does for us. It is a framework for organizing your tasks based on both their relative importance and relative urgency. It is a 2x2 matrix, a grid or box if you prefer. Along the horizontal axis, we'll consider our tasks according to urgency. Along the vertical axis, we'll consider our tasks according to importance, which leaves us 4 quadrants or boxes into which we can sort and organize our tasks. Now that you've been introduced to the Eisenhower Decision Matrix, or EDM for short, and you understand why you might use it, you'll need to learn how to use it. Specifically, you'll need to understand the difference between urgency and importance. Learn how to build the matrix to organize your tasks, and develop a system for using this consistently for long-term success. In our next video, we'll tackle the topic of urgency versus importance. We'll define these terms and discuss why we even need to know the difference.